Hey guys, hopefully you can hear me. Today we're just going to work on NEA project for my school. I guess that's what we're doing today, and yeah, so we're gonna do is just write some pseudocode. I've got the project open in my other computer, but for some reason I cannot share the screen. Let me check if I can add any. Display capture. Okay. Create new. Okay. It seems that I cannot show my display, which is kind of weird. Just cancel this and delete these, I guess. If anybody knows, if you're using two different Macs, how to add the second Mac as on OBS as a second display, let me know. They should have some. Yes. Anyways. Oh. Hopefully that's fine now. Oh my god. Okay, that looks weird. Okay. So let me fix this quickly. Remove. Yes. Now we have nothing. Display capture, add existing. Okay. So let me zoom this in. Okay, still not in. Okay. I think that's fine. Just you can't see what's at the bottom. I think I'll be fine with that if you guys are alright with it. Anyways, yeah, so this, yep, that's fine. Okay. Alright. So anyways, welcome. So I think within 1 hour I should be done with this writing pseudocode. So first of all, I have my document open in the other app which I'll be working on. So in my student class, so thing I say is just import module, import Django models. Then we say class dot class student, and we just say models because that's just how it is, and we just want to basically write a new model using Django. And let me just check out write new models in Django. Okay, so we're just gonna say, yeah, so we just say first name Charfield, second name Charfield, and so on and so on. And then we say, so once you create this string, we get subject one Charfield option select from subjects, subject class, subject to, and so on for select from subject class. And we just don't repeat for subject for, so in person can actually enable this. What do you want? Oh, thank you.
All right.
A person can study up to 4 A-levels. I'm prioritizing maths, English, and math, computer science, and physics, and further math. Okay. So your cluster here. Then we have clustered subjects. Asked for the year. So here just gonna be into integer field. Okay. And then just write these more blah blah blah. And here in class subject, we're just gonna take these attributes. So I'm back. Anyways, the student class. In the subject class, so what is the subject class? Well, we'll have the name of the subject. Alright. So we'll have the name of the subject. Okay. So we'll have the name of the subject. So we'll just have the name of the subject. So name. I guess we'll have subject selections. And we'll just say FM. So we just say further maths. Because just pseudocode, we don't really need to care. Maths. Physics. And computer science. And after this, we just want to say, and after this, what we're gonna do is the select name, select one from subject or name, and what we do after this, no. So what we do is this name of subject. And what we do is we say mark for A, percentage out of 100, 100, and so on. So we just say a percentage out of 100. Mark for a star, percentage out of 100, and so you just like repeat this for all the get noise, and we say mark for B, mark for A, B, C, D. Then we want to say E, then F. And what we're gonna do is just, you wanna create a dictionary for subject, I guess. So def.dictionary, if I remember correctly. So let me just open the example file. So let me just create a new workspace, like a new window. And from this, I'm just gonna, you can't not take it to the other side. That pisses me off. Okay. Hold up. So I'm gonna open up in my other Mac, which you guys cannot see for some reason. Oh, well, I don't know how to do it. Okay, we're gonna go here. Let me open GitHub on this. Let me replicate a work. Clone repository, and we're just gonna add writing spicy how TOS. No, it's not TOS. Side clone. Okay, so after cloning this, we're just gonna open this in Visual Studio Code. Okay. Now that you've done this, we're gonna put it here. Okay. So yes. Okay. So you want to create a meta class within a subject, and we just want to say the database, create database table, mock database table, and we just want to call these. Okay, so we just want to call these data members. And after you've done this, it's fine. Okay, so after we've done this, then we're gonna work on. We're gonna work on. So then I said we would work on topics. So topic. So for topic, class of topic, well, what's a topic? Well, a topic has a relation with subject. So subject, select from subject class. Student, well, it's tied to your student as well. Select from student, and name of topic. Name of topic. Just say Charfield. And after that, what we're gonna do is, first of all, we're gonna have, well, so whenever we submit a topic, so this topic is gonna be used for forms only, and because it's gonna be used for forms only, we're gonna use this data to store. You're gonna use this to store data, and because we're gonna use this to store data, what the data do we need? Well, the data we need is, first of all, is exam grade. Exam grade percentage out of 100. What other do test grade? Say, let's just call it exam grade for better emphasis. What do you need? We need confidence. So other things we have designed is other things we have designed. Well, so on topic, we're just gonna submit the exam grade. Then we wanna know what's the student's confidence level out of 10. Integer out of 10. We want to know a student's knowledge level. Then we say integer out of, say, 10. Then so we have the knowledge and we have confidence level. What else we want to know so we can have more data on the student? We're gonna say feedback from teacher. So feedback from teacher, Charfield. What else? What other things we want to know? Well, there's more things we want to know, right? So do we have to know anything else? So for students, I thought to create, students gonna be username, which they're gonna use it to log in. So they just call it, for now, just call it Charfield, and then a password, and Charfield. Okay. Since it has a topic, feedback from teacher, Charfield. No, sorry. What else do we need from a student so that this is satisfied? So this is in-depth topic review, right? So some data on here, I'm going to see it, right? Okay, I think that's all we need. Okay, since that's all we need, then that's all we need, I think, for this. Yeah, so I think that's all we need for topic. Feedback from teacher, field. Do we need anything else? Yeah, so I think that's what we need. So you just want to, for topic, we just want to select the subject, then the student. We want to name the topic. We want to, so this student has to submit the exam grade, their confidence in the topic, and knowledge level. And so when they look back in, they see that they weren't that confident, knowledge level, and so on and so on. All right. What other things can we do with it? Well, thirdly, a student needs to have their own target. So class dot target grade in this target grade, a student can submit their own aspiration grade, and they can only submit it once, I think. So let's just say target grade. So what can a student do? Models. So what do you want the student to do? well, we want the student to, first of all, we want to select a student. So select from students. Select that of all, we just want to say subject, we want to say select from subject. And that of all, we just want to say and third of all, we just want to select from subject. Well, the third option we should have. The third option we should have indeed is, what is the third option we should have? So you want to select the subject target. So select is personal grade. Alright, so this is the grade the student would want to have, and we just say so we just say select from A star. We're just gonna make a new one. We're just gonna make a new one, and we're just gonna call this A star B C D A B C D D E F G F. Okay, that's what we're gonna have. And we're just gonna select from grades. Okay, so restoration, we're gonna target grade is this one that school have said. Personal grade, target grade. Okay. Since we have the 4 things we need from a student, do we need anything else right now? We also said we'd submit with your topics. So class start. Weekly models, and we would submit this weekly data. So student does select from student, consistency out of 10, integer out of 10. So consistency, deadlines, integer out of 10. So what are the things we can daily, weekly? So how can you monitor a student's progress using weekly things? So you can ask your students, have they been consistent with their work ethic for this week? Deadlines, completed all task, completed personal task, all personal task, true or false, yes or no, or no. So we can ask for deadlines out of 10. So have they submit all deadlines? Have they done anything independent study? So integer out of 10. We can ask for motivation each week. Integer out of 10. And so on and so on. So you can ask all these things in weekly things. So motivation, consistency, have they complete the timetable, then the deadlines, have they complete personal tasks, independent study. So deadlines would be meeting the homework. Consistency would be are they following the timetable. Independent study is, are you studying independently using your timetable wisely? Have you completed all the personal tasks? Means like, okay, you have consistency, you're following the timetable, but have you completed all the personal tasks? And the motivations, are you still motivated? Okay, so you can say motivation can be a big factor as well. And you can say meeting goals. Integer out of 10. Alright, since we have done this, so I think that's all we want for so I think that's all we want for today. For weekly, that's all we want. Do we want anything daily? I don't really plan to include a daily function. Yes. Thank you, sister. 2. Alright, since we have done this, now we can safely say, so this is done. Alright. So, I'm live streaming. Don't say anything stupid. Close the door. On YouTube, do you want to see me code and talk shit?
Yes.
Join me then. Join me. Alright. You do them in individual cases. So you say m squared plus 7 over 4 is bigger than 22. That's one of your case. The second case would be m squared plus 7 over 4 is less than 20. Is less than 32. And then you solve them normally. We solve that for m.
Okay. And for this one?
And that's gonna, so draw a line here. And then write this one, m squared plus over 4 is bigger than 22. Okay, now you solve them individually. What a noob. So I think this looks very clean. But since I know this looks very clean, I might remove this. Okay, so I'm going to remove this entire thing. Okay, I'm going to do this entire thing, then I'm going to place a table here. And I'm going to say clauses. I'm going to say pseudocode and explanation. Oh, okay. Sorry for the pause, I'm just writing some prototype 1, so due to my framework in prototype. Alright. So let me just show you. This is how it looks like. It's a huge document, but it's gonna get like 100, 200 pages long, so do not worry about it. Right, so let me just screenshot these. Alright. So screenshot, where are the screenshots? Right here, so the first document. Alright, oh, that's a huge thing. Okay, students, then we just want to say okay, so how many there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we only have 3, so you just wanna so 3 more. Okay, so we just paste them quickly. Okay, I think that's about it. Okay, we don't need this, so we just want to delete this. Yes, delete it. What the fuck you doing? Delete it. Topic, and then target grade. Weekly. Now I'm not sure if we are asked to explain this, but I think they should be saving now as soon as possible. Alright, saved. So it's been updated to my other file. Alright, so yes, I'm not sure if we're supposed to explain each of the classes, but I'm not going to because that would take a very long time. But for now, we leave it like this: student class, and we'll name this title pseudocode. So C the code, and we'll choose style. We'll do heading 4. Then let's see how you run this out. Yep, so that's what you want. Yes, this is what we want. So we want this, and we're gonna put it. We're gonna make it bold. underline this. Underline this. Alright, so we have done this. Next we're gonna use next I think I'm gonna write this pseudo for graphing. So we're just gonna say hold up. So I just want to search about NEA computer science A level NEA example. Alright, so let's see what this can get done. So they do a Siricum algorithm. But they doesn't really represent the type of work I am going to Is it a data? Furthermore, using the data provided, include a function where using the data provided, the software will learn to make better suggestion to students. This will be, says, these suggestions will be particular areas or topics where strange for extra links. Make better suggestions. I use. Okay, so I'm introducing a better Okay, so I'm gonna explain my ideas here clearly. So what I'm trying to do now, because I was reading some NEA ideas, and what I was reading is that more linked with AI and ML and some like lots of to do with data analyzing. And what I realized is that my project does tend towards data analyzing, but not to that depth. So what I'm going to add is in my software. What I'm going to add is using the data provided. Okay, so using the data provided, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna make a better suggestion. And so what does this better suggestion do? So when a student submits data over a period of time, say about a month or 2 months after, you analyze where the student is lacking behind in topics and which topics are they're struggling with. And what we'll do is they will there'll be a button where the student says, okay, how to improve. So when the presses button how to improve, see the topics, and underneath the topics, so you use intelligence to using the data and learn from the data and then see which topic is they're struggling with. And in that topic, we can actually will see that then make better suggestions. So what most students found hard. So some, for example, what most students found hard in that topic, and then bring up an article and where should they focus and how to improve their ideas. And we can implement this idea simply. Hmm.
Which people close all the lights? door. Close the door. Closer. Closer.
Oh, that popping up. See, but then he sees, then he checks with
I have a college essential that every student can use to make their work lives a little bit easier, and that would be Grammarly. For those of you that don't know, Grammarly is a digital writing assistant that provides comprehensive writing suggestions to help you improve your grades. Grammarly has a free version which mostly focuses on punctuation, spelling, and grammar suggestions, but you can also upgrade.
good correlation in that will show okay. So we've done this so far. I got a new plan and I wanna implement that plan. So we're using student consistency, deadlines, complete all person tasks, yes and no motivation. I call this the performance graph. So daily performance graph, and so I'm gonna name this daily / weekly. Daily, and what it does is every day you're taking this data, and because you're taking data every single day, so 7 days a week, by 30 days I should have enough data to actually get to do a scatter graph, and from the scatter graph I can use the software can learn. So what does it mean? Well, it'll check for correlation. So in the scatter graph, say it has positive correlation, this will suggest on this. Okay, so I got a plan now and I'm gonna stick by it. I actually like that plan more than anything else. And I'm gonna stick to it. I don't care. Now I'm gonna make a new file, and I'm gonna call this file the analysis file .ps. And in this file, what I'm gonna do, so let me check what did my teacher say I was missing from my file. Okay, so my teacher said alright, so let me check what did my teacher say. I think I got a new idea. Also, I'm working on I got a new idea. It's about evaluation. Come, let's go. Okay. So we call this function graphs, and so what it's gonna do is gonna draw different graphs, and I have a way of doing this. I just want to check the pseudocode written for. So here's a set of example work. So just check what pseudocode you wrote. Come on, go up, go up. Okay, so what should you do? Well, so you're always gonna calculate average. So what do you do? So uh, I'm gonna make a private function. Average. And what I'm gonna do, return so I'm gonna do public function average, and what I'm gonna do is open student.csv file. CSV file. Cut file. Let's change the CSV file. We just open this change of CSV, and after this what we do is get the and then we select from this we get so then from this we just say select subject row. Yeah, select subject row. So for I in subject row, so we say select subject row. And then we say select subject rows, and for I in subject row, total is gonna be, we can add all them up. So say I plus total. So we're just gonna add all them up. So we're saying I, and then average is gonna be total. We just add 1, and then we say average is total. You got number of total submitted, And since we did this, we just return average. Okay, since we return average now, we can go to the graph and we can say we can plot this graph. So we can say we can import charge. So you can put charges data.js. Okay, so you can input charge.js. So you can say constant of figure So consider data labels. So I'm gonna use label. So it's gonna label all of them. And so my data set is gonna be okay. So label is gonna be label, and data set is gonna be the data set is gonna be first data set label. So first data set subject progression performance, and then the second one's gonna be data, and the data is gonna be as stated average to maths, average to further, physics, and average to computer science, and then I'm just gonna have the background color. So I'm just gonna copy this over. I don't really care. So I'm just gonna have a hashtag. These colors are subjected to change in the real code. They are just generated real code. And then I'm just gonna have these right now. So after this, we're just gonna draw the graph. So after this, you're just gonna draw the graph. Data set. Options and scales, and then export config, and so on and so on. So now we've drawn this. So I'm just gonna put this up, and this is, I'm just gonna screenshot this. Okay. What else are we doing? There must be more, right? So we're trying to do more. Trying to do more graphs. Well, we're trying to take the weekly data as well, and we're trying to analyze the weekly data. So will they call this graphs algorithms / algorithms, and we say average. And we'll call the pseudocode explanation. I just want the normal one, come on. Average. This algorithm is going to take in subject as a and selects the CSV file or database, then here's average of all the topic score and calculate it, then returns it, the subject progression graph. Was we done alright? What else we trying to do? Abbreviation. So we say